Oríṣiríṣi àwọn ọmọ ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́, àwọn ọmọ ìlú Ọ̀yọ́ gangan òun ni wọ́n ti ń fi ìhà, ìwòye àti èrò tiwọn hàn lórí àtúnṣe tí àwọn ọmọ ilé-ìgbìmọ̀ aṣòfin nípínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ tí wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ta ni ó máa jẹ́ alága ìgbìmọ̀ àwọn lọ́balọ́ba nípínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́. Ẹ wá jẹ́ kí n mú ohun tí aṣòfin tó ń ṣojú ẹkùn ìjọba ìbílẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́, ìyẹn ọ̀nàrẹ́bù Ọlọ́runpọ̀tó, ẹ jẹ́ kí n mú ohun tó sọ wá fún yín lórí àtúnṣe àbádòfin tí wọ́n ń gbèrò láti ṣe lórí ta ni ó jẹ́ alága ìgbìmọ̀ lọ́balọ́ba nípínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n mú wá fún yín gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọ̀nàrẹ́bù Ọlọ́runpọ̀tó gẹ́gẹ́ bó ṣe fi síta. Ó ní clarification on the Council of Obas and Chiefs Further Amendment Bill 2025. Let me offer a clarification that is important for the ongoing public discourse on the Council of Obas and Chiefs Further Amendment Bill 2025, historical background, and the 2011 amendment. During the administration of Governor Adebayo Alao Akala, the Chiefs Law was amended in 2011 to make the chairmanship of the Oyo State Council of Obas and Chiefs rotational. Under that arrangement, the Alaafin of Oyo, the Olubadan of Ibadan, and the Soun of Ogbomoso were to serve as chairmen in turns, each for a 2-year period. This legal amendment placed the three foremost monarchs on equal administrative footing, though not necessarily in terms of historical or cultural significance. Spirit of the current amendment. Contrary to some interpretations, the proposed 2025 amendment seeks to correct that shift by restoring the Alaafin of Oyo as the permanent chairman of the council. The bill provides that the Alaafin shall preside over all council meetings. In his absence, the Olubadan will preside, and where both are unavailable, the Soun will assume that role. This proposal aims to reinstate a traditional structure that recognizes the historical preeminence of the Alaafin while working within a formal legal framework. On the use of concurrent chairmanships, concerns over the phrase concurrent chairmanships are valid. That terminology introduces ambiguity and should be addressed during the committee stage or at the public hearing. Based on my engagement with the drafters, the intent of the bill is not to maintain rotational leadership but to affirm the Alaafin's role as permanent chairman while clearly defining a line of presiding authority in his absence. Diplomacy is key. As a proud son of Oyo and a staunch advocate for our historical legacy, I must also serve as a bridge between tradition and legislative action. A past administration altered the legal status of the Alaafin stone. Another allowed the status quo to remain for nearly a decade. To revert that trajectory requires not just conviction, but coalition building, timing, and diplomacy. This is not the moment for confrontation, but for strategic engagement. The truth remains, history and tradition are on our side, but in legislative work, clarity, tact, and united voices are equally essential. To my constituents and all Yoruba sons and daughters, I reaffirm my unwavering commitment to upholding the dignity, authority, and seniority of the Alaafin throne. and seniority of Alaafin throne, I will continue to engage colleagues, stakeholders, and executive to ensure that this amendment reflects our heritage. I will work with relevant stakeholders to see that any ambiguity is resolved at the committee and public hearing stages, where the voices of Oyo sons and daughters will be actively welcomed and represented. Let me be clear. I will not support any clause that undermine the ancestral authority of the Alaafin, but I will remain committed to pursuing our shared objective with strategy, wisdom, and unity. Ọ̀rẹ́ á gbè wá o, gẹ́gẹ́ bí Honourable Ọlọ́runpọ̀ tó bí wọ́n ṣe fi ṣọwọ́, òun náà ni ẹgbọ́ tí a mú wá fún yín yẹn. Ẹ jẹ́ kí a mọ èrò àti ìwòye tiyín láàyè comment nísàlẹ̀ fídíò yìí. À á kà á, a sì ṣe àgbéyẹ̀wò rẹ̀. Ẹ ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń wò wá, ẹ ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń gbọ́ wá. Ojú tẹ́ fi ń wò wá kò ní fọ́, etí tẹ́ fi ń gbọ́ wá kò ní di láṣẹ Èdùmàrè. Ẹ ṣé o, a dúpẹ́, a mọ rírì yín.